Hey there, I have got your March 2025 Austin real estate update, and there's definitely been a shift. Whether you're thinking about buying, selling, or just trying to keep a pulse on the market, this is the information that you need to make smart decisions right now. We're going to look at what's actually happening out there, the real numbers, the clear takeaways, and a bit of perspective to help you plan your next move. All right, let's kick things off with what's actually selling, or more importantly, what's not. In March, Austin closed 2,460 single family home sales. That's down 10.5% compared to 2,750 this time last year. And pending sales, those are the deals that are in the works, came in at 2,936, which is also down slightly from last year's 3,011 number. So what does that mean? The pace of the market is slower. Buyers, they're being cautious. They're more selective. They're definitely not rushing into contracts the way they were a year ago. We are now in a calmer, more calculated market. All right, let's talk about inventory. Now, this is where things really get interesting. Inventory is stacking up big time. We've got 5.8 months of supply right now of inventory. That's a massive 52.6% increase from the 3.8 months we had at this time last year. That shift alone tells you everything. It means buyers have options. Active listings are up 11,360 homes on the market right now, which is a 16.5% jump. Some of this is because the time of year people put their homes on the market in the spring, so listing inventory does increase. The new listings, those hit 5,223 in March, which is up 9.3%. But here's the kicker. 826 listings were either withdrawn or expired. That's a 14.1% increase. So what's really happening? Sellers who aren't priced right are getting stuck. Their homes are sitting and eventually they're just pulling them off the market. So it's not just about listing your home right now in the spring, it's about your strategy. Okay, let's talk about pricing and days on the market. Let's talk numbers because the pricing tells the real story. The median sold price dipped slightly, down 1.2% to 439,690. And the median price per square foot dropped 3.1%. It's now sitting at $221. For buyers, this is a signal. Prices are softening, and that opens the door to some real negotiation power. That being said, the average sold price actually ticked up to $584,100, up 2.7%. But before you think prices are rising, remember that's likely the high-end market that is skewing the data. A couple of luxury closings can move that average pretty fast. On top of that, homes are staying on the market longer. We're now at 95 days on average compared to 81 last year. That's a 17.3% increase. Sellers, that's a wake-up call. You need to be patient. You need to have a good pricing strategy in this market. Okay, so let's bring this home. What does it mean for you? First up, sellers. This is not the time to test the market with an inflated price. With 5.8 months of inventory and 826 withdrawn listings, buyers have options, and they are skipping over homes that they feel are overpriced. So if you want to sell, you need to be sharp on pricing and flexible on your terms. Otherwise, your listing could just sit and sit until it expires. If you're a buyer, you're in a pretty solid spot. Inventory's up, competition is way down compared to the last couple of years. That means you can take your time, ask for concessions, negotiate on the price, and still have options. But keep in mind, different price points have different negotiation strategies, and depending on the price point you're in, homes could be selling quickly. And remember, those cream puff homes, the ones that are gorgeous, move-in ready, priced right, those do sell quicker, and there probably will be competition for those. We are still seeing multiple offers on certain homes and in certain price points. Also, and this is important, and if you're a buyer, I know you're doing it, but keep an eye on interest rates. If they creep up again, your buying power is going to shrink fast. So if you find something that checks most of your boxes, don't overthink it. Just be strategic and move smart. The bottom line here is the market's not crashing, it's just rebalancing. And that's a good thing for people who know how to play it right. So that's your full March 2025 real estate market update for the Austin metro area. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm happy to answer those for you. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button and share it with someone you think might benefit from it. Thanks for watching. Take care.